Oh shit. I just dropped my bed, bro. And also it's cold. Thank God I brought my bigger jacket. I was gonna bring literally just a hoodie. Bro, yo, it's chilly, dude. What the? I should have brought coffee instead, dude. What? Bro, I am not proud of this day, that's for sure. Damn, is that one place still open, bro? After dropping the motorcycle, do this because I mean you're risking of damage something from the inside that you can't see. So but yeah, and for those of you, you know, you might say, oh well, you know, like if you know what you're doing, you shouldn't have never dropped it in the first place. Like bro, like bro, there's literally people have dropped their motorcycles, dude. They hop off and then they think that the kickstand is on, and then like they like let go, and then all of a sudden there goes the bike, dude. When it goes down, dude, it's gonna go down. Like there is just no what is it called, there is just no way you're gonna save that, dude. This is almost 400, close to 400 plus motorcycle, dude. Like it's you're not gonna save that shit, dude. If it goes down, it's gonna go down. So yeah, I'm just accept the fact, dude, that it's gonna happen to you. And if anybody says, oh, it hasn't happened to me, man, tell that dude, shut the f up, man. It's literally happened to everybody. It does hurt though. It does hurt. People like to get hurt and stuff like that, like, you know. And but man, out of everything, bro, I think the things that you work hard for and then you do some shit and some shit like that happens. And also, like, if it does happen to you, dude, for whatever reason or however reason, if it does happen to you, just try to like help the bike fall gently. It doesn't matter how, you just, you know, just help it. Probably gonna put on my heated grips, dude. It's for real chilly out here, and it's already June. Dude, the temperature dropped over here so bad. Man, dude, I'm still mad about today, man. For real, bro. I'm still mad, bro. All of this, bro, like, and plus the anxiety, bro, that I feel, bro, this is not good at all, bro. Neighbors. cars just followed us, bro. They did a U-turn. It's not a cop though, that's for sure. Or maybe if it is. Let's get the fuck out of here, man. It doesn't help that we're in the middle of nowhere, dude.